Hey friends, Michelle here with Garden Jargon, and it is snowing. This is only the third snowstorm that we have had. This is like the third snow we've had in Chicagoland for the 2022 into 2023 season of winter, and I love snow. That's something y'all don't know about me. I love gardening more than life itself, and I love snow just as much. They're like right there neck and neck. I love shoveling. I love playing in it. I love being in it. I love seeing it. I love drinking hot tea next to the window where it's so bright outside after it snows really bad. So I'm out here today because this is probably got 4 inches of snow last night, and it is packy snow. Now for those that are snow connoisseurs understand what packy snow is. And I have the opportunity to build a snowman right now before the temperature drops. So for the next like 10 days, we're going to be below 20 degrees. So we aren't going to lose the snowman if I build it today. So at least I'll have a snowman for at least 2 weeks until Chicagoland weather. It's bipolar. You never know what we might have sunshine and 60 in 2 weeks. Who knows? But I want to build a snowman today. So I'm taking you along for the ride because I love building snowmen. I have my snowman hat. I have my snowman scarf. I have coal. I do not have a carrot, so I might have to go ask Randy and Debbie next door if they have a carrot for me so I could use it for his nose. This is my 3rd winter here at the Wilson Street property, and I'm very excited to build this snowman, and I'm so excited to bring you along. So sit tight. I'm going to do a hyperlapse on this, and I hope you enjoy it. I forgot to mention it is January 25th, and it's about 30 degrees out today. Again, it's only our 3rd snow of the season. We had 1 light fluffy snow right before Christmas, and it was very light and fluffy, and we had blizzard winds, so all the snow just blew everywhere. And then we had a little bit of snow 2 weeks ago that came and went within 24 hours. And this snow is going to actually stick and stay because it's supposed to snow throughout today's day for about another 3 inches, and then it's supposed to stay really cold. So hopefully this stuff will stick. So stay tuned. I don't know how long that took, but these drops from the tree keep wonking me in the head. Anyway, Snowman 2023. Tonight I have my Christmas lights on my house, and I'm going to turn them on. I don't care if it's January 25th. I think it's beautiful. So I'm going to turn on all my Christmas lights tonight around the house. I always keep my wreath on, but I'm going to turn them on. It's going to be so bright tonight with all the snow coming down. So I want to say thanks guys for hanging out with me today. Again, Garden Jargon. I am a gardening channel, and I like to take you on garden tours and show you how to grow things and different ways to trellis garden stuff. It's just not the season for that right now, so I decided to build a snowman with you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate you guys. Take care and God bless.